I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, we are going to discuss about list-like type. What are the different type of data type which are similar to list? Yes, of course, we have string and tuples. In this session, we are going to mainly discussing on the similarity of list and the string. String means it's a group of character. Okay, list is nothing but the elements which are arranged. The items are arranged in a order or sequence. So we'll be discussing about the list and the string. What are the major differences? So you know that the string and tuples, okay, string and tuples are similar to list data type. In this session, we are mainly focusing on the string. Okay, similarity of list with other data types are as follows. So the following methods, as you can observe, the following methods such as indexing, slicing, loops, and the len. These methods are commonly applicable for both string and tuples. That is one of the most important thing you have to remember. So one important parameter is list is mutable. Okay. So we can change the items of list at any point of time by using the necessary method. But if I talk about like a string is immutable. We cannot change. We cannot change that particular string. That is a difference. So what will happen if you try to change the items which is present inside the string or any one of the element which is present inside the string? Yes, of course, you will invite type error. Type error that will be happening if you are trying to reassign or a single character in a string. But list and all, there is no issue. Now I would like to show you some example. See, similarity of list and string you can observe. So we assign one name of the string that is called name that is equal to set ophi. Okay, even all are belong to this particular string only. So suppose if I assign like a name zero, this is called indexing. Okay, this method is called as indexing. Okay, index. If I go for like indexing, definitely it will work out. Okay, if I go for indexing, I'll be getting like a set. Similarly, if I go for like indexing, name of -2, then what I will get? I'll get I, because this is E is -1, I will be -2. Correct. Similarly, if I go for like name like 0:4, what will happen? That means it will be started from Z only, but it will end with H. Okay, this is the way how to get. Similarly, if I go for like an in operator, let us say in operator. Okay, you know what is in operator? How does it work? So we have the string is equal to name is equal to Sophie, Z0 in name. So if I use in operator, definitely I will get true or false. Suppose if I am trying to go for like other example, like P not in name. See, not in operator. Here also we are learning about in operator and not in operator. So if I go for like a not in operator, I'll be getting the result as false. Okay. So this is actually the basic operation which are applicable in list and string. Now I'll be telling you one thing. Now, if I am trying to add the seventh, see, name is equal to Sophie, a cat. This is one of the string. Suppose I would like to at the seventh position, I just wanted to add like I just wanted to add. Is it possible or not? Can you just tell me? You just try the same code in your interpreter. You can use either online interpreter or IDLE or Visual Studio, Jupyter Notebook. Anything is fine. Definitely, if I try to add the along with the old string that is Sophie, a cat, definitely we'll be getting an error called a type error. If you see the traceback report, this is your traceback report. Okay, if you observe the traceback report, you will be getting like a type error in that str object does not support the item assignment. That means the string will not support for the addition. We cannot modify it. That means we can say that string is immutable. Obviously, a string is immutable. You have to remember. Okay. Immutable. String is highly immutable. That point you have to remember. So that is why sometimes you may get a question like prove that string is immutable. So you may get an interview question. Prove that string is immutable. You can use the same example. Very simple. Now, if I talk about the list, okay, well, let us compare with the string and list. So list is mutable. Why you say that list is mutable? Because we have a list called X. There are 3 items, 1, 2, 3. If I want to delete, if I am using the deletion operation, del X2, okay, what will happen? The definitely I'll be getting the result as 1, 2. That means the third item will be disappeared. It will be deleted because this is 0, this is 1. I'm deleting the second one. Second one means what? Third item. Third item will be deleted. So the new list will be 1, 2. Now, if I go for like a appending operation, so that we have the existing list is egg 1, 2, 3. If I want to add 4, definitely what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 will be added. So this is regarding like a new list. So list can be modified. It can be easily modified. Okay. So in this session, we discussed about the main important thing. What are the list like data type? One is string, other one is tuple. There is one more like a data type that is called a dictionary. That is a bit different. That is key value pair. That we'll be discussing later. So what are the differences between list, string, and tuple? Okay, tuple yet to discuss, but I compared the list and string. List is mutable, where string is immutable. Okay, that means I cannot change the particular any one of the element in a string. I cannot change. If I try to change, you will be getting the type error. So this is regarding the list like type. We compared the list and string in this session. You can go through that. The same operation can be applied for the string and list. But the thing is, if I'm trying to modify, I'll be getting a type error. That is one of the peculiarity which you are supposed to remember. So in the coming session, I'm going to discuss with the comparison of list and a tuple. What do you mean by tuple? Let's have a brief discussion about the comparison. So these are the list-like data type. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are watching this video first time, kindly subscribe my channel. And if the video is useful, I request you to share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for listening this video. Happy learning.